Happy National Day Sweden! Glad Nationaldag 6th of June 2026 is today, and Sweden is celebrating 503 years of independence. And I am in Swedish colors today, even the flag, that it's quite appropriate now for the World Cup. But Swedish people usually don't wear flags and Swedish merch on the National Day, but I'm doing it because I'm from Macedonia. And I am out for a beach adventure again on this beautiful 6th of June Saturday. The sun is up, a bit clouds here and there, and later today at 6 o'clock on 6th of June it's going to be also a concert at Grönlund. Felicia, this year's representative from Sweden at Eurovision. And yeah, so I have come here today with my squat gravel bike that you can see right here. 9 kilometers. It was quite an easy ride, and it's time to go in for a swim here at Lake Drevviken. Yes, I'm for the very first time this year at this spot. It's at Stortorp, located in Huddinge, and it's also a spontaneous nudist beach spot actually, because it's quite off from the main road, and it's opposite of Orchem that you can see on that end. So let's now get ready for the swim in the lake, and let's get dressed in swimming suit. And we are ready for the swim, but first let's measure the temperature in the lake. It is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and I think it's around the same in the lake, the water temperature. And it's so much more amazing when the sun is up. It's gonna be nice for me to swim here for some time for sure. Just look at how beautiful the nature is indeed. And the moment of truth, it's 19 degrees Celsius in the lake. Yes, so almost the same, as it's gonna be 19 degrees also very soon in the air as well. Yes, so Chris is out for a beach adventure on the National Day of Sweden, and in Swedish we say Glad Nationaldag Sverige. Amazing indeed. And this is quite a nice spot, and I chosen this spot because it's going to be less wind here, but I see that the wind is anyway blowing, but it's much more strong around that corner. And located in Huddinge, this is probably one of my few first beach adventures in Huddinge this year, another municipality in Stockholm. And let's then hit the road, Jack. On the other end it's much more beautiful because that is the I think Flaten or Drevviken Nature Reserve, or a mix of it, in the Orchem area over there. So beautiful indeed. And let's then get going. Okay. Sorry for not announcing the drop, but I really wanted to get in. It's so nice and so amazing. And check out my beach spot for today. It's so beautiful that the sun arrived after fully cloudy morning. Currently it's 12 o'clock, so we are midday, and it's gonna be nice swim for me here today. I will aim for half an hour as the water is so warm and nice. Yes, Swedish National Day. I'm so happy, and let's have a fantastic weekend, everyone. So yeah, with this 360 view of my swimming viewpoint, it's time to wrap up this beach vlog, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Woohoo!